All right, welcome back. So now that we understand about shared preferences and how to save things, what I want you to do next is to do this challenge here, okay? Now you need to take your time when doing these challenges, okay? Do your best to get it right. So what I want you to do, there's two things that I want you to do. First, I want you to create a scoring system for this app. All right. So in this case here, each time the user goes through and they get one question right, for instance, I want you to add here a number for their score. So it could be 100 depending on how much each question is worth. So you can make it worth 10 points or 100 points. Doesn't matter. As long as you can start keeping track of the score as they get right. But also when they get wrong, if the score is greater than 0, you have to subtract that score if they get it wrong. All right. This is because we don't want to end up with negative 100 score. That makes no sense. So that's number one. Number two, I want you to use shared preferences so that you can save the user's highest score. So that next time they come in, or perhaps they are playing and they are at 100 points or 10,000 points, they stop, they get out of the application. Next time they come back, you should show them the latest highest score that the user has. Remember, it has to be the highest score. So if the first time they left, they were at 1,000 and they get out of here. Next time, if that was the first time, next time they come here, it's going to show that 1,000 because that's indeed the highest score. But if they continue playing from 1,000 and go to 3,000 and they get out of here, next time they come, obviously it has to be 3,000 that is. Okay, so it has to be the highest score, and you can do that. Now, this challenge here, I do realize it will require you to do perhaps a little bit of more research, but not really, because now at this point you should have all of the tools to get this done. I trust you. Go ahead and do this challenge, and do not peek, do not go to the next section where I go through this process here with you before you've tried. Please go ahead and give it your best. Okay, good luck.